think this video is going to be titled Unboxing Supreme with Jacob Star. Well, it's 5 something right now. I'm headed to Seattle. I didn't have to, go to Seattle for what I'm doing. It's this YouTube Best Dressed Awards, but they're going to fly me to New York, and I thought, why not go out and fly out to Jacob and do it there? So that's how we're doing this, so let's head out. Alexa, turn lit lights off. Thanks for picking me up this early, Mom.
You're welcome.
5 minutes. My mom usually wakes up at like 6, but this is earlier for both of us, so let's hope we can make this journey. I'm in Seattle. Took a 6-hour flight. I'm leaving tomorrow morning. I'm actually leaving tomorrow morning. I'm gonna be here for 24 hours. I'm here for a special shoot that hopefully I can reveal some stuff to you guys. But for now, I'm waiting for Jacob. We're gonna get together. Star Life X Harrison gets together again. One of my best YouTube friends that I know, like one of my best friends in general. So let's go ahead, see where they're at. Hopefully they get here soon because they said they were gonna be here.
What's up?
Dang, did everybody realize like how much taller I am than you?
Why are you? See, this is what I was telling you guys earlier. I was telling you guys he always is trying to show off. He's bragging about his money, how tall he is, how he's so famous. Always. It's like it never stops with him. Never stops. Go follow me on Instagram at the Star Life. What up, YouTube? Harrison Nevel here. Today I got Supreme Master here, Jacob Star. Just kidding, guys. This is Harrison Nevel. I'm Jacob Star.
What's good, everybody? So I was coming out to Seattle. I'm filming something. I can just say it now. The Best Dressed YouTuber Awards is happening.
And honestly, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. You guys should definitely vote for me.
You guys will see the details coming up soon.
It
is
on
fan
his channel,
voting. No, the video actually went down. It's not up anymore.
No, I know. But I'm saying this is gonna be on your channel.
Yes.
So I'm saying go vote for me. Don't vote for him. Vote for me. You know what I'm saying? I would greatly appreciate it. I'm more appreciative than he is. So please go vote for me.
If you guys don't know, Jacob is one of my best YouTube homies, one of my good friends in general. Jacob's a good guy. Jacob and I FaceTime literally every night, so.
Before I fall asleep on FaceTime with him.
No, he does not. I have a few pieces that I caught from the Supreme season, and I thought, why not go ahead and show it with Jacob, and then a few other pieces you guys might know about that are already unwrapped. If I can get to them. So first things first, did you guys know
where did the illusion box go?
It's illusion. It's gone. So these tennis balls, I don't know if you guys saw, I got these. Everything here except for one piece I copped. Actually, 2 of them I copped on the website when they dropped for retail. So these right here, I really like these as like a coffee table piece. Throw them in a bucket. I put them with the boost ball. That's mine, as well as a bait ball.
Okay, guys, this man right here has stolen my boost ball. He's holding it for ransom. He came to Washington and still did not bring my boost ball back.
Yep.
Anyways, do you play tennis?
I did in middle school. I did a tournament with my dad.
Wow, I'm surprised. I just want to say that this right here is just an example that Supreme is staying true to skating once again. If you don't skateboard, do not buy these tennis balls. That's just a mandatory thing. If you are not a skateboard tennis player, I do not expect you to be buying these. It's just unacceptable.
But these are good cop. I mean,
yeah, it's a decent cop. Yeah. I didn't get them. I wanted to go for them, but they were like 3rd or 4th in my cop order.
They're like $15, I think.
Yeah, people are always like, how do you cop everything? You use bots. And I'm like, I take L's all the time. Like, I took an L on that because I wanted to get those and sell each ball separately.
Then we got the illusion box. You saw the mystery box video. I don't think Jacob likes this thing. Basically, it's a lot smaller than I thought. I thought it was going to be like that big.
I love the idea. When I saw it, I was like, that is dope. Right? Did you put money in here?
I put a penny in there.
He put a penny in here and it's already full because this thing is so freaking tiny.
1 penny.
Like I don't think it can hold any more coins. This thing might be able to hold $1.64 maximum. It's so ridiculous. Like it's a great concept and it actually does look kind of cool if you just look at the floating box logo right there. But it's just like, come on, Supreme, make it a little bit bigger. Make it somewhat useful.
We gotta hold our money, like we got our lunch money.
Yeah, I mean that's gonna hold my entire life savings because I'm poor. But like, geez.
This is the most fire thing I've copped all year, and I want you to unbox it. That's first. So most fire thing I've copped. You know how to unbox Supreme. You're a Supreme God.
I mean, I'm not a Supreme God. I don't even know what Supreme is. But the most fire thing, and it dropped this season. But you said the most fire thing this year.
Copped it for retail. I'm so hyped. They were gone in like
Oh, I already know this is a joke. You're joking. I know what it is. It's the Nan Golden tee.
It's not.
Am I right?
No,
I'm not. Oh, this is StockX. Hey, shout out
It's
StockX.
something that I actually bought randomly.
I thought it was
in
the
video
Nan
and it
Golden
showed
tee
up.
because I was like, there's no way you're trolling me right now. Okay, yeah, this is a pretty fire piece though.
I mean, it's something that you could get relatively easily. I think they restocked a couple times.
No, the tan ones were the hardest ones to get though. The tan one's the
really?
most, yeah, the tan one's the most hyped colorway for sure. And I think that's because that was one of the first ones that was leaked. I like the tan one and the red one. I think those are the two best colorways. For me personally, I'd get a black. Yeah, I got a couple of these. I got a couple of black ones, no flex.
Did you see Ela from H3H3 was wearing one of those in a picture?
I didn't.
Yeah,
that
she
makes the
tweeted
clout
it.
points of this go up
That
so high.
I literally the day I bought us in a video, I did like a random buy and she was wearing it and I was like, all right, perfect.
Perfect
Then
timing.
these two, these are two tees. One, I don't know which is which, but one I'm hyped on. I think you saw I was in. Anytime Jacob goes after a drop, he goes on live and I always tell him if I get anything and then he FaceTimes me after. But this one, let's see what we got. You can unlock the next one. I don't know exactly what this is. Should we do like a blindfold Supreme test on you and see if you can pick what tee
I don't
it is?
think I'd be able to figure out what tee it is.
Okay, blindfold Supreme test on Jacob. You have to hold it, open it, and see. I think I'm keeping it, so. Well, here, let me give you the stickers first, see if you can tell by the stickers.
It's a little bit fatter, so it could be a Public Enemy one. I don't know what I'm gonna fill with the tee at all.
Maybe the logos.
I'm thinking, I'm gonna say Public Enemy. Am I right?
Nope.
No, what? I don't know why I
Dang,
guess
that's
Public
a
Enemy
flop.
North Face. But it came with a Nan Golden sticker. Like, what the fuck?
Look,
Supreme this year? I don't know why I guessed that, because I don't think you got a Public Enemy tee, did you?
Nope.
Bro, this was
But
a good cop, actually, though. This was a good one.
I was quick with this one. This is the Supreme North Face. The jackets, you can see Jacob's opinion. He didn't like those. They're tinfoil, but I wanted to go for this, and I'm
That's a fire
surprised.
one.
T-shirts sell out quickest usually, but I mean, I guess in that situation, those were gonna sell out faster. But got a size large. It's actually pretty thin, but I guess it's a North Face blank, right?
Yeah, it's North Face, yeah, manufactured by
So
North
that's
Face.
pretty cool. And then the back has a nice little North Face Supreme. I thought this was
That's
cool.
interesting
It'd be
they do
good for
that.
summer.
So, because like a lot of the North Face stuff, when they do this, they do the North Face branding like on the back right, you know? And so I thought that's kind of funny that I didn't notice that
Oh,
they
you didn't?
had that. Yeah, so the fact that the North Face Supreme on the back like that is kind of interesting. I like this a lot. A lot of people like sleep like, I don't really like a lot of box logos. One of my favorite box logos by far is the Bling Box logo. I know that's kind of weird. I know if you're like a Preem head, you're probably thinking in your head like, what? I hate the Bling Box. Like everyone hates the Bling Box. I don't know why. I think it's dope. And it kind of reminded me of like, this kind of reminds me of that. I like this like metallic little graphic that they did. It's kind of cool. Have the North Face and Supreme. This is one of the better North Face Supreme tees in my opinion. But yeah, the jackets were
I think they're
trash.
reselling for like 180 or something.
The tees.
Yeah.
Yeah, the tees.
I mean,
the tees
retail
are
is like
up.
36, so it's pretty good. And then this last one, I guess this is just one of the summer tees. I don't know. Can you guess which one I went for?
I just want you guys to know. He said I could open the next one.
Oh, yeah. I know. I was thinking about that. Then they sent me 3 stickers. This is demonetized. I saw the shirt with that on it. Summer tee. Which one do you think I
I'll
got?
give you one box. Summer tee, diamond tee.
Yeah, that's what I went for. Another black. I guess all I'm buying
Such
is
a-
black t-shirts. But
Such a good one too. Like I love this tee. Like I was saying this and no one agrees with me. I think this is one of the hardest Supreme tees, and I hate being that guy right now. This is one of the few t-shirts that I think would look cooler without the Supreme branding, and it's not even just the fact that without the Supreme branding. It's just the fact that I do not like that blue, but I love this S. It kind of reminds me of like the S's you used to draw back in the day with the
just
3
about
lines.
to say
you know?
that. That's exactly when I saw this tee. It reminded me of the S's where you go boom, boom, boom.
Boom, boom, boom.
line.
You're gonna have to do something.
I
on the
know.
screen,
I was
like,
thinking about that, but I
because,
don't
like,
think I
saying
can
boom,
do
boom,
that.
boom is not gonna do a thing.
I'm
you
gonna
know?
put up the S, but yeah,
Yeah.
this is one too. So I went with 2 black t-shirts. That's all I have is black t-shirts, but I think these are decent stuff.
Those are both really.
When
sick
I go
pickups.
for, you know,
It's crazy that you just lost that North Face Supreme tee though.
what do you mean lost it?
Like you don't have it anymore. It's crazy that you just lost it, cause now and it's crazy
Did
I
you
found
finesse
one.
it? Oh
Yeah.
yeah, you left here with one. So, I mean that's our little clips of that. I guess from now after this, you're gonna see some more clips, maybe of me in Washington. I actually leave out tomorrow. I'm here for 24 hours exactly, and maybe Jacob's gonna take me to the airport. I don't know.
Yeah, I
Jacob
might.
wanted me to stay till Wednesday, but
Yeah, I tried to get him to stay to Wednesday, but he was like, honestly, Jacob, like I'm too famous for you, and so like, and that's the thing. Like, that's why when I tell you guys, I really hope you vote for me with this high sobriety thing. Like that's why. It's because at the end of the day, you know, Harrison's already so famous.
the whole thing is gonna be really dope though, I think. And I came out here. He filmed today. I filmed today. We had a lot of filming in. And I thought, let's go and bang this out. We're in this amazing Airbnb. This
Yeah,
is
it's
a
a
really
cool
cool
little,
Airbnb.
like, art studio.
It's on top of a little like studio, but like there's lights everywhere. So maybe I'll show you some B-roll of the spot. But it's like they make T-shirts here, so maybe we'll do that. But I think that's what we're gonna get in for the rest of the night. Now I
gonna
gotta
get
ask
some.
Jacob to get a thumbnail with me so I can clickbait using his face. He thinks less people are gonna watch
How is that
because I put him in
clickbait?
there. well, not clickbait, but using you for the thumbnail.
Yeah.
So
You're always just using me, dude.
I guess so. That's why I flew here. It's just to use you for this.
Guys, another thing to keep in mind though is like this is really important. In all seriousness, like all jokes aside, like I've never talked about this.
Stop, you're already smirking.
But like, it's just really important that you guys go follow me on Instagram.
The most fire Instagram comes together with the most fire Instagram stories. Jacob has been admitting that I have the most fire stories.
Yeah, he does have the most fire Instagram stories right now, so make sure you go follow him on Instagram as well.
Before he takes over.
But I'm trying to come for his top spot, but he's just so quick with it, bro. I'm telling you, he keeps the camera on. He does an instant transfer to
This
phone.
will probably be on my story in like 3 minutes. This is a quick Seattle trip, but I gotta get Jacob in here for the Supreme. Jacob is my favorite Hypebeast on YouTube. All right, guys, we'll see you whatever we get into. I'm here at Jacob Starr's house.
What's good?
And I'm about to take some stuff from the collection that I just need. I might need some underwear. Might need a little.
What'd you say you're taking?
A little of this. I can't show what he's showing on camera. There's some FTP stuff in here. Dang, you still haven't opened this?
What's up?
You haven't opened the bear brick? What was this?
No, this is a water bottle. I already opened that.
Oh, but this? You still haven't opened
I
that?
haven't opened it. We got a bunch of unopened stuff. Let's just go through, guys. We got Mophis. As you can see, we got some more Mophis inside. We got some FTP socks. We got a bunch of random stuff in here. What are these? Oh, these are storage containers. I'm actually going to keep these.
I got one of those in the mystery box.
Got the Arabic logo. We got the illegal business, Clippers, little Brooklyn BOGO. We got some pop-up exclusive FTP Nas photo tee, Supreme rolling papers, the Brooklyn camo.
You're just stacking it up, huh?
FTP water gun,
These are all box logo t-shirts.
I never that. This is actually no Supreme in here. This is Super Radical, FTP, and pounds. Hot seat.
You're not sitting with me?
No, you gotta sit in the hot seat. You gotta give your opinion, share your opinions, man.
Should we do like a dual shot or no?
A dual shot? Here, I'll shoot you.
I want to do a shot where it like comes out of my camera. I'm not Jesse Wellen. So I'm about to give my opinions on the Supreme and Lacoste collab on Jacob's channel. Woo! So I just finished filming that little segment with Jacob. It's actually pretty decently long. We're about to head out. He's gonna take me to the airport. It's always fun seeing Jacob. We're gonna be back.
Hey guys, check this out. Look.
Don't stop.
Hey, no,
He's gonna say check out my Instagram.
No, I wasn't gonna say that. No, for real. Watch, guys, listen. So on some serious, I'm not gonna shout out Instagram, right? I just want you guys to know something really important. That I hope you guys are all having an amazing day because I'm having an amazing day, and I just want you guys to know that if there's one thing that you guys should do to have a better day, if your day is not amazing, it's follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is at the Starlife, THESTARRLIFE, baby.
No, actually, my homie Wade, you've met Wade. We played Xbox with him.
Wade.
Yeah, you met Wade. He wants to come back with me and Sophie and his girlfriend this summer. He said he's 100% down.
Those are double dates. I'll be a fifth wheel. You know what I'm saying?
Yep. You can take us to all your spots.
I will show you guys all the spots. And if you guys want to see spots, go follow me on Instagram at the Starlight, THESTARRLIFE, baby.
I have to edit it. I have to do that every time I film. Jacob has a twitch where he's like, follow my Instagram, follow my Instagram, follow my Instagram. I'm from Seattle. That was a quick trip. Had a lot of fun. I just want to come on here and sign out real quick because this is the end of the video. I just thought I can't just abruptly end it. But look forward to some dope content coming up. I move a week from today out of this beautiful apartment, and we'll see where the journey takes us. So get excited for that. I will see you guys next time. This is Harrison signing out.